What you got there?
DIY fishing, buddy. DIY fishing.
Yay.
Bowl, borrowed hook, bait, and a weight.
There you go.
Yeah, it did go off.
It went all the way out there.
Yeah. There you go. Done. So I do this. Wheel it in.
Got a fish already?
Nope. Well, I'm gonna recast it. Really? There we go. Right? Look at that. Using a 1x1 wood post cut to any length, fishing line for $2.37, and a dry ball. First, drill a hole. Then thread the fishing line through the wood and tie a knot. Wind up some fishing line and also then wrap the dry ball with the fishing line and tie a knot. And there you go. Easy enough. Time to go fishing.